afternoon, welcome to We Repair. So today I am working on an ASUS laptop. Again, this is a sort of favour for a friend. It's got a broken screen. It's not a massive job to repair. So I've already pre-ordered the parts ready to go. Specific model, this is an ASUS F407U. Shouldn't take more than about 10 minutes to repair. It's not a long job. So we'll walk through it. There's not a great deal of a laptop that needs to come apart. We're really only interested in the screen. So this is, you can see the lines there. It is cracked in multiple places. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to remove these little black sticky things in the bottom right and bottom left of the screen. I don't know if we can get them without something pointy. Sometimes they will come out, sometimes they won't. This one does not want to, so we'll just get something pointy in there. There we go. Then we need a screwdriver just to work those 2 points. There's one. And there's number 2 down this bottom corner. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to get this frame apart. Again, a half decent pry tool, and it should just pop open. We'll pick somewhere that's not directly by the camera, and we should just be able to get under here, like that. So if we just work it gently around the corners. One to be aware of, these side bits do snap very, very easily, so just be really gentle and slowly work your way around. If it's not coming, stop, because you're probably giving it too much force. And then along the bottom, there we go, and it will just all unclip exactly like that. Pop that off to one side. So next thing we're going to do, we're going to just do the 4 screws around the edge. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then once we have done that, the screen will be free, and then we just need to disconnect it. So just be mindful of the cables and things around the outside, because you do have Wi-Fi cables, and you do have the camera cable at the top as well. So when you're prying to open the screen up, just be really conscious not to pry around this sort of area, because you're going to do yourself some damage. So as one whole piece, lift the whole screen up and straight like that. Okay, I'll do my best to get the light right. You just see there's a connector here. What we're going to do, peel this little bit of tape up, and then we're going to pull the cable directly away from us, so in this direction, and the whole screen will lift away as one piece. So popping that off to one side. As I say, I've already done all the legwork. I've got my new screen ready. Grab my new screen. Again, pop this off to one side. This is a refurbished unit. You can see it's grade B. It has come from eBay because that was the cheapest place to get it. It was about £70. So as it's for a friend of a friend, they were quite happy with that. So cable pushing towards the screen, and pop the tape back on just to hold it into place. Now, if you lay this flat again into the monitor, or tilt it up so you can see, you've obviously got your cables now that have come out a little bit. So if we can get the screen back in first, just like that, then we can tuck all the cables in around it. So these ones that have come free are now over in this corner. We'll tuck back down behind the screen and things, and everything will just route a lot easier once you've got the screen in place. So that's done. So next thing we'll do, we'll just pop all of our screws back in, because that won't take us 2 seconds to do. So one at a time. Magnetic screwdriver advised here, because this will make your life a lot easier. So number 2. Number 3. And last but not least, number 4. Okay, so that's our screen back in. Let's see if this battery's got any life in it. There we go, and that powers on and works perfectly. So let's just turn that back off again. Perfect. So happy with the screen, happy that it's all working. Grab my bezel. What I like to do is just make sure that the hinges are tucked in first and just give them a little bit of a push down, just so they click like that, and then you know the hinges are clipped in. And then just working your way all the way around. You are going to need to be quite firm with it. And you want to just go around the screen a couple of times. Just make sure everything's clicked in, there's no more clicks or pops. Then we're going to do our 2 corner screws, so I'll just pop those back in there and I'll tighten those up. There's number 1. And number 2. Oh. That's perfect. And then our little rubbery bits need to go back in there as well. So assuming you've done all of that correctly, then you should have a newly fitted ASUS screen that works perfectly. So if you found that useful, please drop me a like, leave me a comment, subscribe to the channel. The subs really do help. It's really helping me grow the channel more and introduce new stuff, because it gives me some money to be able to buy things. So we are constantly developing it. If you found it useful to you, please let me know that you've done the repair successfully. It'd be lovely to have some feedback. But otherwise, thanks for watching, and I shall see you in the next video.